Hello student, welcome to my channel. Myself Razi Maurya from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Goa. Student, I hope you all are fine nowadays. I am also fine here. Student, today we are going to discuss a very important and very interesting topic that will be on multiplication of whole number. In the last few videos, we have discussed the various questions of subtraction and addition of whole number, and I hope you all are understood everything very smoothly. So today let us see what is the multiplication of whole number and what are the properties following by this whole number. So as we know that when any whole number, suppose that 4 is multiplied with any other whole number, then the product that we get, which is also again a whole number. Okay, when any whole number is multiplied with another whole number, then the product is always a whole number. So this is the basic of product multiplication of whole number. Now let us see some property that holds good for whole number under the operation of multiplication. The first property that we know very well, which is the closure property. So let us see what is the closure property. As you know that whenever two or more whole numbers are operated with each other, then we get a new number. If that new number is again the member of the same family, that is the member of the whole number, then we say that the whole number satisfies closure property under that operation. Since here we are discussing about the operation of multiplication, that is why we shall operate with the operation of multiplication in order to prove the property of closure. So let us see. Let us consider if 7 and 8 are any two whole numbers, then 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. Then 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. What is 56? 56 is also a whole number. Is also a whole number. So that we can say that the whole numbers under the operation of multiplication satisfy closure property. So in this way we can show the closure property, and I hope the closure property is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next, that is the commutative property. let us see what is the commutative property. Commutativity means conversion, that is the interconversion of the order of number in the given mathematical statement. Okay, so here let us consider 6 and 7 are any two whole number, then 6 multiplied by 7, and now change the order of these numbers, so it may also be written as 7 multiplied by 6. Here 6 7 are 42 and 7 6 are 42. So in the both case, in the initial case and in the second, when we interchange the order of the digit, and in the both case we have the same answer, that is the same product, so that we can say that 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42, which means that the commutative property under the operation of multiplication is satisfied by the whole number. So that here we can see that the whole number holds good the commutative property under the operation of multiplication. And I hope the solution is clear and the concept of commutativity of multiplication is also clear. Now let's see the next, that is the associative property. What is the associative property? In order to prove the associative property, we need at least 3 members of the given family of numbers. So here, let us consider 6, 7, 8 are any 3 number, any 3 whole number. Then we have already discussed what is the format of associativity. So here we shall apply. So we can write using the format A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So here from the left hand side we get 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. Now first of all we shall solve this, and after this we shall also do the right hand side. So first of all see this. So this will be equal to 6 multiplied by 7 8 56. Here we follow the rule of simplification, which suggests that first of all solve those numbers which are inside the bracket. That is why we shall solve the number that is inside the bracket. And here the product of 7 and 8 is 56. Now again we multiply 6 by 56, so we get, let's see the rough work, 56 multiplied by 6, 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 5 are 13 and 3 33. So here we get 336. So that the product by the left hand side we get 336. Now let's see again by this right hand side. So here with the help of this we can write 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. So this will be equal to 6 7 42 multiplied by 8. And here 8 2 60, 8 4 33, 32 plus 31, 33. So in the both case we can see that the product is 336. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that the associative property under the operation of multiplication is holds good for whole number. So that I hope the property of associativity is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next property, that is known as distributive property. Distributive property over addition under multiplication. Under multiplication. Okay. Now let us see first of all what is the formula that we shall use here, and this is A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So first of all let's see here what is the meaning of distributive is attached with this statement. Here we can see that in the left hand side A is multiplied with the sum of B and C. So in the right hand side we can see that the distribution of the quantity A is takes place. Here we can see that A is equally distributed with these two quantities. So that this property is called distributive property over addition under multiplication. Now let's see it by some counter example. So 6, 7 and 8 are same with whole number. Therefore from the left hand side we can say that 6 multiplied by 7 plus 8, and this may be written as 6 multiplied by 15, and 6 multiplied by 15 is equal to 90. Okay. The next on the right hand side we can see that the value of A is 6 multiplied by the value of B is 7 plus the value of A is 6 multiplied by and the value of C is 8. So here we get 6 7 ja 42 plus 6 8 ja 48, and now find the sum. So here we get 90. So we can see that the both sides give the same result in their different order. So here the distribution of 6 is takes place in the both condition. So we can say that the distributive property over addition under the operation of multiplication is followed by the whole number. So these are some properties that are to be asked in your examination. That is why it is important to learn. So student, we shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.